Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the speed of the Altivar process drive through the local HMI. I have got an Altivar 630 drive here. I will turn on the power. At the moment the drive is configured for the remote frequency control and command control. So if I give the run command through digital input 1, you can see the drive status changes on the top left corner to run, and the drive is running. I can change the speed through the external potentiometer. As you can see, the value will change. To be able to control the drive through the local HMI, we'll have to change few parameters. To do this, I will disable the run command. So now the drive has stopped. Now to change the setting so that you can control the drive speed through the local HMI, we need to enter the menu and go to the complete settings. In the complete settings, you will find a parameter called command and reference. Enter. The first parameter shown here is reference frequency 1 configuration. It's set to analog input 1. I need to change this to the reference frequency remote terminal. After this change, you can see, if we go back to the main display, you can see at the top right corner it shows you HMI. So now you can control the drive with your local HMI. It shows you the value of the frequency. This value is a percentage value of your maximum frequency. If I press the run command, you can see the drive is running now, and I can change the speed of this drive through the local HMI. We will change the value to 20. So as you can see, I can control the drive from my local HMI. I can stop, and you'll see the drive will come to the stop. And if I press run, it will start running again. So this is how you can control the speed of the Altivar process drive through the local HMI. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.